Sanibonani guys, sanibonani, welcome back to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like a video, share. Yazi nasingena odabeni. Yabona kule video guys, ngizofuna ubuke this particular part of the video la ngihambe ngayo intshontsha khona just for ngizama copyright, so ngihambe ngayo ucupha kancane kule clip where usine ube laphiyana ka kule podcast and talking about impilo yakhe, udlelwane bakhe nobaba wakhe, udlelwane bakhe noMacele noma yeni, and then those two, like she said, yabona makuyilabo nje abayi-2 uMakhumalo noMangwabe, something like that, engathi uchaza ukuthi ubengena relationship nabo because mhlawumbe indlela abamphatha ngayo angazi, sometimes because naye indlela aziphatha ngayo when it comes to usine Mseleku. So I did see a story up Sunday World. I think so I did a video kasine mungayibuka ngahamba uyibuka, but kule video khona ngizothanda ukuthi ngilethe le clip la, ngizohamba ngiyoyithatha ngimake sure ukuthi angene enkingeni lapha. Ngizohamba ngiyithatha le part le ngiyifunayo where usine is talking about uMangwabe ukuthi Makhumalo noMangwabe nje for yena, no, because usechaza laphana ukuthi kunesikhathi ke afika kaMangwabe kwasho ukuthi ukushuthi kwakuthi akadla isinkwa netiye mhlambe, yena ke njengomuntu ongathanda isinkwa wasethatha i-roll. So uthi kwabe indaba engaka nje ukuthi ngidle i-roll. So nje when I go around lana on the platform, everyone's talking about how Mangwabe wayekhulumela ukudla, uMangwabe umuntu okhuluma ukudla waye. You know what, mina ngifila ngathi usine udlala ngoMangwabe. Hayi, usine udlala ngoMangwabe. You guys, what if lelo role alithatha, there was a purpose for that role, mhlambe vele kwakuyiskaftini into ekanjalo, kwase kuthiwa hayi sine uthatha i-role eskaftini. Maybe it wasn't even a big deal. Yena nje uthi hayi kwabe indaba engaka ukuthi nje ngidle i-role. Usine jo, the way she's talking, abuya qhubeka athi mabembuza lapha ukuthi ngatshela ubaba, ngase ngiyatshela ubaba ngathi angeke ngiye kamuntu wakho. That part for me, uthi watshela ubaba ukuthi ngeke ngiye kamuntu wakho. Hayini, hayi Sine yabona ke, that's why uyabona ke Sine, that's why Sine bengeke bezwane nawe, because girl nawe nangendlela obeka khona indaba ye role, for me I think nje it's just blown out of proportion. Uthola ukuthi nje uMangwabe lawo ma roles mhlawumbe kwakungabantwana, umkhero wabantwana, mhlawumbe umkhero wakhe uMangwabe, I know she's a nurse, something like that. Mhlawumbe there was a purpose for that role, kwaba khona lelo role, kwaba khona isinkwa, kwasutha girl ngcono wona uthatha isinkwa ke, yena wathatha i-role kwasuthiwa hayi uthatheleni kanti i-role besisithi thina lelo role, yena nguye osafuna ukwenza indaba enkulu. Usine yena nguye osafuna ukwenza this whole thing into a big thing. Hayi cha ngeke, the fact that uthathi ngatshela baba ngathi yabona ke ngeke ngiye mina kamuntu wakho. Hayi guys, usine naye akaziphathi kahle. Hayi Sine, hayi ukuthi mhlambe ngiyami, so just ukuthi that part for me nje ukuthi manje it's like Mangwabe is someone othanda ukukhulumela ukudla, Mangwabe is a bad person, Mangwabe noMakhumalo nje amakhosikazi kababa wakhe nje. Asingabheki leyo part, asibheke yena Usine ukuthi baze bengabi zwani naye nje yingobani, yabo. Ngeke ngithatha iside, futhi angithatha iside la kaSine, angithatha iside la kaMangwabe noMakhumalo. Engisho ukuthi behavior yakhe nayo Usine, hayi unamanga Usine i-role nje isinkwa, i-role nalo isinkwa naso leso. You guys, like seriously, manje unkosikazi wabantu siyatrenda ukuthi ukhulumela ukudla, wakhulumela i-role, Usine wadla i-role. Do we know ukuthi Sine uzuthathe lelo role? What was the purpose for lawo ma roles? Mhlambe wafika wena nje wathola abantu bethi hayi sasa sizokhera lokho, wafika wena wathatha lokho kuyiskaftini base beyabhoreka. Hayi indaba yakho ngayireporta kubaba nje ngempela, ngase ngithi kubaba nje yambona nje kamuntu wakho mina ngifuna uqala ngazi ukuthi lelo role uzolithatha, what was the purpose of lelo role before nje singaqala sithi hayi Mangwabe ngumuntu omubi, uMangwabe nje ukhulumela ukudla. Asikwazi lokho ukuthi Mangwabe ngumuntu okhulumela ukudla, simply because sekusho Usine akhulume nge-role, akhale ngalelo role. I wanna know ukuthi yayisuke what was the purpose of the role. Yabona le ndaba le ayikho lento ukuthi umuntu onguMangwabe angakhulumela i-role. Lapho nje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi you know what, I wish we can go back sizwe ngoMangwabe ukuthi kwakutheni azakhulumele i-role. Hayi cha ngeke you guys, umntana abantu manje siyatrenda ukuthi ukhulumele ukudla simply because of a role ekhulunywa nguSine lapha ka podcast. Hayi kodwa ngithatha iside, sengiyasho ukuthi before sizojudge Mangwabe kumele sibheke isimilo sikaSne izenzo sikaSne okuningi nje sebeyibakhala ngakho ngoSne akhona manje she is referring to amakhosikazi ababakwe nje labo nje makuyilabo shothi nje uMacele noMayeni yibo nje abantu yibo umama kuye makuyilabo hayi okay laba bakhulumela kudla aSne. But anyways, let us just go to this particular clip la ngifuna khona uzizwele nje ekhuluma ukuthi wathi kubaba wakhe ayenzaka umuntu wakho nje ubaba wakhe nawathatha isayidi wathi hayi SNE mangabe ngeke ayenzeke leyo nto ubaba wakhe wama nomuntu wakhe. Hayi cha ngeke bafethu hayi ngiyazi you guys I do understand when it comes to a reality show vele bakhona esikubonayo thina on TV is not who they really are kwayena uSNE lokho sikubona mhlambe on TV that's not khona manje ungathola ukuthi leyo ndaba ye role nje akayilethanga kahle lapha ka podcast. We do not know what exactly happened, but anyway let us just go to the clip. Hayi uSNE cha ngeke bafethu hayi.
Mina ngiyengilale lapha endlini nginganayo into engizoyidla ngingazi ukuthi ngizodlani if ngingatshelanga uMacele uthi okay even noMayeni ngingamtshelanga ukuthi okay Mayeni now I don't have into engizoyidla. Yeah. Kodwa but uMakhumalo akaze ukuthi mina guys angifuni ukwenzela iTV no. Angifuni ukwenzela iTV asiphileni ireality angithi reality show le asiphileni ke guys if ungangifuna ungifuni not ukuthi ngaseqhama amakhamera uzozenza umuntu ongithandayo uMayeni mina noMacele ibona oma bami engingasho ukuthi bangisupportile kakhulu uMayeni ngeke ngahlala naye kakhulu ngihlalele noMayeni kakhulu noMacele ngahlala naye so lethule ay angifuna iqamba
Mangwabe noMacele
noMangwabe noMakhumalo
sorry
yes angifuna iqamba manga shema angifuna ukuba praise phambi kwabantu no ke ngiba praise angiboboni lutho.
Do you like maybe know isizathu why they like maybe don't show up for you as a support like ezumama
khona lana xabana khona mhlambe perhaps
ngizothi ngibangani nabo guys angazi xabane nabo angazi angikhumbula uMangwabe ngifikile kwakhe khona uanti wegada kwakhe ke so ngangifika athi hayi enze itheni nelonto zaSnake ngenze iti and then ngadla irole ngoba angisithandi sinkwa ngadla irole ha kwabe indaba engaka
please don't lie irole
kwatshela ubaba wazongikhulumela ubaba wami ngerole elilodwa wathi uSNE ufike kwamadla irole lami lomphako ngerole guys ngawa
asiqondile mfethu ukuhleka
guys ibo ngaba conscious
hayibo SNE
ave kukekhaya mina angiqonda ngane ekhaya la uthi fanele
uyakhethela ukuthi fanele udleni.
That is crazy.
The fact that iproposal kubaba irole
ngerole kwathiwa nje
manje ubaba fanele athinde kule
response ngathi mina baba okay baba ngeke ngiphinde ngene kamuntu wakho kankosikazi wakho ngizogcina wangincenga ubaba athi eSnake ngathi ngeke ngiphinde ngene ngoba even mengidla into kusho ukuthi mengathatha ifruit kuzokhuluma ukuthi ngithatha ifruit guys yo angifuni uqamba Mangwabe shem hayi
that is sad.
Mina ke into maybe ngiyayikhuluma ngeke ngifihla ngilongele nale no I can't.
So like manje like I shame that ibo irole
lele dance la Pick n Pay
usay digest le
Pick n Pay ngerole
Bisho wena bekufanele udle isinkwa netiye as requested as told.
It wasn't a role per se, it was into wayenza
ongayenza
because khona umgcene mhlawumbe into ekhulumisayo ugebhula upholo nwashaya islide
yes
understanding but you roll guys
roll wakhulwa complain kumnyeni wakhe
wathini baba I'm interested to know
ubaba wathi no ngeke ayenze lonto okay udlile roll ikubo nje la ilike
unani